Hey, if you are connected with your JBL Clip 5 to iPhone or Android device but there is no sound, let me show you how to fix this. First of all, when you are connected to the Android device, you can go into the Bluetooth settings, then click on the settings icon when you are connected and be sure that this switcher of the media audio is actually turned on. When it's turned off, for some reason, you will don't hear any audio that actually comes through your speaker. It will go through the speaker of your smartphone. So remember to do this, and if you are using the iOS devices, like in my case there's the iPhone, you have to also be connected with your speaker. That's quite obvious. There we go. And now if you don't have this sound, you will have to open this control center, then tap right here and be sure that you are switched to the JBL Clip 5, because if you are on the iPhone, it doesn't work. It doesn't let you actually make the sound through your speaker. So be sure that you change it. But if it still doesn't work, I will highly recommend you to perform the hard reset of the speaker. It actually brings all of the default settings back. So if you don't know how to do this, you can actually search in my channel because I've got a tutorial for this. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.